What does a 21st century education mean to me? By Ben Murphy. Teachers will need to rely on the universal themes and application designs to learn to navigate new systems, such as Web 2.0 tools and the future Web 3.0 tools, which are under development. Additionally, educators need to adapt current classroom standards such as book reports, VCRs, and literary criticism into the Web 2.0 media. Examples could be photo stories for book reports, utilizing blogs to engage students in literary analysis, and web forums for students to complete VCRs. Engaging the children of the digital revolution will require that we readjust how we as educators think. We as educators need to grant them more responsibility in learning. We teachers need to become interdependent with our students, relying on our students' expertise with Web 2.0 tools. We need to provide stimulating choices that engage our students' learning styles. It's imperative for us as teachers to embrace the global connectivity of this generation and find avenues to teach and connect our students with classrooms across the globe. Educators of the 21st century are also encountering new challenges. We need to help our students in their character formation when they have grown up with a communication system that allows anonymity with seemingly no consequences. Yet, we as educators must identify and hold fast to the fundamentals of learning such as reading, writing, and mathematic instruction with tactile experiences. We need to be flexible in our means of presenting lessons and preparing assessments of our students' learning. The 21st century education presents an opportunity for teachers and educators to meet diverse needs of an ever-changing population. Some say that education is the great equalizer. Providing the opportunities for learning and fighting for our students to have access to technology in the classroom is essential to keep our students competitive with students in a global economy and classroom. Thus, 21st century educators must have a personal commitment to remaining abreast of the advances in educational technology. A century ago, no one would have imagined that we could hold the contents of an entire encyclopedia in our hands, but now this is true. Such innovations have been the courtesy of the human imagination and the gift of education. For the 21st century and beyond, the design of the classroom of tomorrow is limited only by our imaginations.